Hi students, parents, guardians, thank you for tuning in to the third math session. Today's session we're going to be looking at place value and place value charts. Okay, so what you need for this session is you need some dice. Depending on where the student is working, if they work in the tens of thousands, okay, how many dice would they need there?
4.
No, that'd be 5. Good. If they're working in the hundreds of thousands, they'd need 6 millions. Okay, they'd obviously need 7. Okay, but we're going to be working in the thousands today. So how many dice do we need there?
4.
Good, 4. Now, if you don't have dice at home, okay, you can use other things. Look around the cupboard, see what you can use and adapt. And we've got an OXO cube. Okay, you can write some numbers on each of the sides with a sticker. Okay, and put them on and have your own dice like that. Okay, but luckily we do have some dice at home, so we've managed to get 4. Okay, and you need 2 place value charts. Okay, now you can go onto the internet and just search for these and print them off. Okay, or you can just draw your own up, pause the video and draw your own up. Okay, if you're working in the decimals, okay, you can work out how many columns you need by going back and counting. If you're working in whole numbers, obviously you only need this side. Okay, and then you can add tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands, millions if you want to work in those higher numbers. But we're only going to be, as you can see, I've rubbed out because we've been playing previously. We only need 4 columns because we're working in the thousands. Okay, now Zaya has previously rolled her number. Okay, and what's your number, Zaya?
My number
If we put it down there, we can film it from there.
is 6,530.
Good. Can you read it in each column as well,
yes.
individually as well, please?
6,500, 3 tens and 6 units.
Good, or ones. Excellent. Now I'm going to roll my dice. Okay, and I'm going to place my numbers. If you've only got 1 dice, all you need to do is roll it individually, write the number down. So 2, 6, 4, 5. Okay, you can do it that way. Okay, but I've got 4, so I'm just going to roll my dice and write them all down. Okay, I don't know if you can see that. It's not very clear. Maybe Zaya can pop the light on for me, Zaya. Thank you. So we've got a 4 here. So the 4 is going to go in this column, and that's 4,000. Good. I've got a 3 and a 2 3s and a 5. I'm going to place my 3 here, 300s. I've got a 5 that I'm going to place here, and I have got another 3 that I'm going to place. So that's 5 tens and 5 units. Sorry, 3 units or ones. So my number is 4,353, Zaya. Okay, so the aim of this game is, so now you've got your number, you only need 1 dice now to do the next part. The aim of the game is to try and knock out all your numbers, and to do that you have to roll the number that's here in each column. Okay, so I'll show you to start with. So I'm going to roll I've rolled a 1. Now I don't have a 1 in any of my columns, so I miss a go now, and then I hand the dice over to Missy and she will roll. So she has a 5, so that's a very good start, Missy.
I've got a 5 here.
Good. So
And
what is the 5? Which column is the 5?
in the hundreds.
Good.
So I replace the 5 with a 0.
Excellent.
And then I just write 6, 3, and then the number 6, the same number.
Excellent. Now, what is your new number?
My new number now is 636.
Okay, now just be careful, okay, because you rolled a 0 here, okay, your 6 is still in the what column?
Thousands.
Okay, so technically, okay, your number is still 4 digits long because your 0's here. Now if your 0 was here, then your number would have changed. Okay, it would now be in the hundreds. But because your 0 is still after the first digit, after the first number, it still has a place value, Miss C. So, what is your new number?
My new number now is 6,036.
and 3 tens and 6
Well,
units,
yes,
or how would you read it? Whole number.
6,036.
Excellent. Good. Now my turn. Let's see if I can. 1 again. So I missed 1. You can also ask your students, okay, I've rolled 2 1s in a go. You could say, all right, what's the probability of rolling 2 1s in a go?
So
Okay.
I have just rolled and I got another 5 and I just wiped out the 5. So I missed a turn.
Okay,
It's
so
Mr.
my.
N's turn.
Okay. Okay, I've got a 3, so this is a really good one, okay, because I've got 2 3s. Okay, I'm going to wipe out the hundreds, the 300s first. It's now a 0, and I'm going to wipe out the units, 3 units or 3 1s. Bring my 5 down, 5 tens or 50, and 4 thousands or 4,000. So my new number is still in the thousands, but I've got rid of 2 numbers. Okay, so my new number is 4,050. Okay, so that's 4,050. Okay, alright, now I'm going to pass it over to Miss Z, and Miss Z is going to roll her dice. Okay, thank you, Miss Z.
So mine goes.
So 1.
Got a 1. I don't have any 1.
So that Miss Z misses a go. Back to me. I've got another 1. So that's another 1. So I've rolled, out of 4 rolls, I've rolled 1 3 times.
Yeah.
Okay, so you can ask questions as you roll. What's the probability of that? I'm not going to put you on the spot there, but always question the students as you go, and if opportunities arise, you can ask questions related to other mathematical
So
equations.
I just rolled a 4 now.
So
As you can see, I do not have any
4.
4s.
So you miss a go.
Miss a go again.
Okay, my go. 5. Now this is a good one. Okay, I'm going to wipe out my 5, bring the 0 in, so 5 tens have now gone, and there's 0 tens. Bring my 0 down, bring my other 0 down. However, my value is still in the 4,000s because my 4 is in the thousands column. So my new value is 4,000. Okay, so all I need to roll now is a 4, and I've won the game. What did you roll, Zaya? 2. Okay, so Zaya misses a go, unfortunately. Now I'm going to roll 1 again. So that's 4 1s out of how many rolls have I had? 6? 6. Wow. Okay, that's a lot of 1s. Okay, miss a go. 3. Now this is finally a good one for you.
I'm going to wipe out my 3 here.
3 what? Remember to say the value. Always say the value, students, as you're playing.
Is now 0.
Good.
So I've still got my 6. I've got 0, 0, 6. So 6,006.
Good. So 6,006. So Zaya only needs a 6 as well, and I only need a 4. So it's a close game, isn't it? All right.
Yeah.
So let's see what I get. 1 again. Oh my gosh. Okay. How many 1s is that now, Zaya?
It's 6.
No, 5 out of 7 rolls, I think it was. That's unbelievable. Okay, you'll go
I rolled 1 again.
Okay, so you miss a go. 2. So 2's no good to me.
I need a 6 and I need a
6. Well done.
So
So
I wipe out my 6.
6 what? Remember to
My
say the value.
thousands and my 6 units or 1.
Good.
So and then I've got all 0s and 6.
Good.
Because the aim of the game is to get all 0s.
Excellent.
And I've got all 0s, and that means I am the champion.
Well done,
and
Miss
the
Z.
prize is a box of these
Box
little
of Oxo
dice.
cubes.
Yeah.
Alright, now I'm going to roll anyway just to see if I could have got a 4. No, 1 again, my word, that is 6 1s out of 8 rolls, I think now. That's unbelievable. So that is the game, okay? Once you've had 1 go, try and challenge yourself and start playing in the decimals or make your numbers bigger, okay? If you use a pencil, you can just rub out the game and continue to play, okay? So just rub it out and start again. Now, if you're confused about anything, or if you'd like any extra help with anything, please don't hesitate to ask on Facebook. Send me a message. No Facebook there because you can't message on YouTube. On Facebook, and I'm happy to help wherever I can. I hope you enjoyed the game. I hope you enjoy playing, and stay tuned because there'll be another activity tomorrow. Alright, thanks guys. Bye.
Bye.